I'm Queen V, and join me as I unbox my newly purchased Gucci bag. If you are new here, my name is Vivian Queen V, and I normally share videos on how to look your best even if you are in your 50s. Plus, I also do luxury bag reviews. By the way, before proceeding to the unboxing, let me just share with you that today is my birthday. I am now 53 years old today, and I don't feel like it. I just feel that I'm just 20 plus. In our work, we have this benefit of having birthday leave. So today, I'm in Sofitel Hotel celebrating my birthday with my family. Join me as I unbox my newly purchased Gucci bag. This is my birthday gift to myself. So happy birthday to me. I bought this in Taiwan when I had our business conference there 3 weeks ago. I have been eyeing to buy this bag, but since this is quite expensive, I am finding ways to get it a little bit cheaper. That's why when I went out of the country, I made it a point to go to Gucci store to find this and check if the price is lower. Thankfully, it's lower because aside from the price itself, the price there is lower. Plus, I also get this tax refund. So technically, it's lower than $300 plus. So good enough. So let me share you my unboxing. The box. There's no box actually because I told them not to include the box because I'm traveling from Taiwan to the Philippines. So this is the bag that I like. I've been actually looking for this bag for months already, but since it's quite expensive, I'm taking time to buy this. So this is the Gucci 1955. It's made of leather. As you can see, it's color white. Initially, this is not the bag, the color of the bag that I have been wanting to buy. I like the monogram with white detail. But after trying inside the store, I think I like this better. And I feel that this is a better investment than the other one because this is made of leather. If you are going to the website of Gucci, you will see that there are a lot of models when you type Gucci 1955. It comes in various forms as well as the material and as well as the size. So this is the small Gucci 1955. So let me show you what's inside and also the things outside here. This is the Gucci 1955 shoulder. This is made of white textured leather. As you can see, this can't easily be scratched, which means that this is not a high maintenance bag. Though it's white, if there's a dirt, you may just wipe it with a soft cloth. The look has like vintage effect, and the hardware, it's gold toned hardware with horsebit detail. On the side, it's half horsebit detail on both sides. It's very classic. And the closure, it uses flap closure. Let me open it. You just need to pull it like that. Okay. So basically, that's the outside of the bag. Now, let's check what's inside. Let me just remove the papers and the cloth. So there are two partitions, one big and one small. I think in the small partition, you can just put some papers here or card. The main compartment here, inside is made of sweet. There are 2 packets. No, only 1 packet. This one. Okay, wait, what's inside? Okay, the Gucci certificates and the manual. There are 3. Okay. The big partition here is quite spacious. So if I have my wallet, let me just get my wallet. Okay, so here's my wallet. Let's see if it fits. So it fits perfectly, plus I can also put other things like maybe my phone. So my iPhone fits as well. The design actually is very simple, but I find it very elegant. And there's no Gucci logo. This is the only thing that you will identify it. It's a Gucci because of the Horsebit. This one. This bag is made in Italy. And now let's talk about the strap. So let me unwrap this thing. So this is the strap. There are 3 ways to wear this. This is the first one, the shortest one. Second, for you to adjust this, it's very easy. Just need to, pull this. Then this is the second one. Let me just actually, this is one of the reasons why I like this bag. I like the strap, the length of the strap. This is the second one. It's still very nice. And the last one, so just need to click. So the snap. Wait, I can't. So this is the longest one. Isn't it beautiful? Maybe you are wondering why I chose white. Because white is quite high maintenance. Number 1, because I have a lot of black and brown bags already. And I want to have something different, which is color white. Next, I find it very class. The structure, the color, the style. I like it so much. This is actually one of my dream bags. So, thank you. It's my birthday. Thank you myself. Next, this color white can easily be matched with any color of your outfit, be it you are wearing dark or light colors. Let's say, for example, I'm wearing light colors today. So, it's perfect. It's very beautiful. And lastly, white is beautiful. Okay, so that's my unboxing for today. As mentioned, today is my birthday. So later, we'll be having our dinner at Spiral with my family. And we'll just enjoy our day today here at Sofitel Hotel. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Till again, this is Queen V saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye.